You know, I don't want to say that I blame, obviously those two other people are victims, Esther and Tata Essie. Karangu, anybody that comes to a narcissist, akorago aendaga up agatuika victim, because wabere Karangu are already haria aigite mutumia wake ndaciragia ni akaima, na nire ndagerie kuheana rugano rwa mundu joy in my life atu akoretwo ari thiini wa marriage hana toguo, ahorithanagio na ciana ciake, akahorithanio na aciari ake, akahorithanio na siblings yake, akahorithanio na arata ake othe. Na niyo na muthenya uria homecoming ya Trizah hindi ahumburagia rwimbo rwake yathiagwo, riria ndaiguire Esa ndarathie, one of the things I did, na niĩ ndekire kinya live gwakwa na ngipost even on my Facebook, ngiuga atiriri, Trizah is still a victim. Gwĩtĩkĩria Karangu aingĩre ke iruga-inĩ riu, that was the first mistake that happened. Karangu niokire na niwe wa highlightirwo na niwe woire limelight, akihana tarwe ukoretwo anyitĩrĩire Trizah haria hothe akinyete. So what I'm trying to say is this: ona mukihuraga Tata Essie na muhure Esther, I think those two have become Karangu's victims. Mwabe muririkane Esther Baubach ni ari na kironda ekiritwo ni Karangu, niguo kana tiguo? Koguo ari nigetha mundu uyu atige guturithia kironda kiu ri, endaga guturithia mundu uria ungi urateithia. What am I trying to say? The domestic violence or whatever this cycle that Trizah was, it is still going to continue as long as Trizah eika. Kwa tondu Karangu already ni succeeded 100%, ni amo isolate, ni amo horithania na andu, ni amo blame, ni amo shame, gutiri undu Karangu atamwikite. Niĩ ndarire kinya ũhoro wa mwana ũcio wake akoragwo thukuru ĩragwo ngethomagwo Gĩthũngũ, na ngiuga na ngĩanĩrĩra na kanua kanene ngiuga mwana ũcio nĩ atige gũtwarwo thukuru tondũ Karangu nĩ kwekaga whatever ambassadorship. To cut my story short, please remember, ona mũgĩtiga Trizah eika, Trizah is still a victim. Hakuheal, she needs protection. I don't know who is going to protect her, tondũ mũthuri wake already kana whoever that is Karangu already ni amo isolated. It will be very hard for anybody else to trust Trizah nigetha muteithia ringi. Koguo ndenda kuga atiriri, andu aria makoragwo mari in the domestic violence iyo trap, Trizah is one of them. She's not a survivor. Ona angithie kuragwo athie so long as ena ciana cia Karangu, so long as ni atigwo eika, Trizah can even manipulate ona wone agicoka kinya kihiko-ini kiu. Anyway, I'm sorry for what has happened, but what I'm trying to say here is andu mahorahorie mwaki, tondu mwaki uria wakanitio ni Karangu wakuhura andu aria aiki tu matumite Trizah akinye hau, ucio ni ambite aga succeed. Arenda kuga atiriri, ona Trizah agicoka irima riu ari, ona atarukirwo nguo icio atarukiirwo ringi, gutire mundu kenda guthi kumuteithia. That is, he wants her to remain a controlled woman, a woman that has nothing to say, a woman that has nothing, or natari nakinya any type of control or even friends. Ndarekeria hau.